Good morning, everyone. Samadhan Shivir is becoming a strong platform for public hearing. Problems of common people are being resolved on the spot in Samadhan Shivir. As the instruction of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, the district administration is taking immediate cognizance of the complaints of the general public in the mini secretariat auditorium and ensuring immediately solution of the problems, due to which this system is becoming a strong platform dedicated to public service. On Friday, also like every day from 10 a.m. to 12 noon, SDM Ashish Sangwan heard the problems of the citizens in the Samadhan Shivir and provided relief to the citizens by ensuring the resolution of their problems on the spot with priority and gave necessary guidelines to the concerned departmental officers for the solution of many problems. He said that camps are proving effective in quick resolution of public problems. A Samadhan cell has also been formed by the Haryana government, which aims to organize the complaints redressal process and provide quick solution to the problem of the people. In such a situation, the updated report of the complaints coming in the camp is being updated on the portal of the sale. Action being taken against illegal mining and Doge without e-shipping bill. Continuous checking by the department. Action is being taken against mineral vehicles living without a e-shipping bill along with stopping illegal mining in the district. The district mining officer Rinku Kumar informed that the department team is diligently performing its duties on the instructions of Director General of Mining Department KM Pandurang and is focusing on every aspects and continuous checking is being done to ensure that there is no illegal mining in the district. He told that even early in the morning his team is checking mineral vehicles and checking documents. The district mining officer said that the checking campaign is being run by the mining department in the entire state, including the district, in compliance with the guidelines of the Director General. 40% subsidy will be available on institutional biogas plant. The new and renewable energy department is giving a subsidy of 40% on setting up institutional biogas plants in go shelters, institutions, and dairies. Biogas plant will prove helpful in protecting the environment from the getting polluted and preparing natural fertilizer for natural farming. Spokesperson of the Additional Deputy Commissioner Office said that Gosala institution and dairy operators can apply in the Additional Deputy Commissioner's Office for setting up institutional biogas plants. He said that this scheme is very beneficial for Gosalas, therefore maximum benefit should be taken. Thank you. Take care. Bye. See ya.